Fiberglass Scaffolding ISF 24. This video will show step-by-step instructions how to assemble this scaffolding. These are the component parts of the scaffolding. Here we assemble adjustable screw jack casters. Now we assemble the horizontal bracing. These bracings have red latches. Next we assemble cross bracing. These bracings have green latches. When you are working at heights, it is very important to use the safety harness. It is also important to attach the harness to a secure anchor point of the scaffolding. Now we assemble the trapdoor platform. Trapdoors should be on the same side and in line with the ladder. It is important to lock the wheels during construction. It is also very important to lock the wheels when the scaffolding is being used. Now we are assembling the outriggers. You must adjust the casters and the outriggers to the ground conditions in order to keep your platform level and stable. This scaffolding comes with 2 outriggers. 2 outriggers are sufficient if the scaffolding is used against a wall. However, if the scaffolding is used in open space, you must use 4 outriggers. Additional outriggers can be bought from Building Easy Limited. Now we assemble the guardrail frames. Make sure to lock 2 frames to each other. Next we assemble horizontal bracing with red latches to build up the guardrail. When you are working on scaffolding, it is very important to wear personal protective equipment. This includes hard hats, high-vis jackets, and steel cap boots. When going up the scaffolding, you must use the scaffolding ladder and go internally up through the trapdoors to the platform. Now you have built up the scaffolding. Do not modify the scaffolding as it could compromise safety of the scaffolding for the user. If you are not sure of anything, contact Building Easy Limited.